Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and updating iOS, because sensor behavior changes across models. Once done, install a manual camera app that exposes ISO, shutter speed, and focus. This gives you control you'll need. Make sure your lens is clean and fully charged, then attach an external IR illuminator or IR pass clip-on if you want real infrared capability. The phone's stock night mode helps, but manual control is why you chose the app. Now you configure the app for low light capture. You should lower the shutter speed into the 1/4 to 2 second range and raise ISO stepwise. This trades motion for brightness, so test increments to manage noise. Lock focus manually on a distant target and pick telephoto only if it reads better in low light, otherwise stay on the main sensor. Enable RAW or highest quality capture for better post-processing, and secure the phone on a tripod to keep longer exposures crisp. Finish by taking several test frames and reviewing them at full size. This is where you confirm balance between shutter speed, ISO, and IR illumination. If images look too noisy, reduce ISO and increase illuminator output, or shorten exposure and stack multiple frames in post-processing to improve detail. Save RAW originals so you can apply denoise and exposure blending later. If things still go wrong, try a different manual app or move to a brighter IR source, because often the issue is insufficient light rather than the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.